Here is how to fix camera not working on this phone. First, if you do not open your default camera like this, you can power off your phone. Long press on power button and then you can tap to power off. After your phone is powered off, you can turn on again. After that, open your camera. If not working again, you can long press in here and then go to apps info. Next, you can see storage and cache, and then you can tap clear storage. Delete apps data, you can tap here. OK. Next, open your camera. If your camera do not working again, you can update your system. Go to setting. Next, in setting, go to system. You can see system update and then check your update. Don't forget install your update. Thank you for watching my video.